Hello friends, today we are to discuss molecular rearrangements. What are molecular rearrangements? Molecular rearrangements are the organic reactions involves changes in the atoms, groups or the bonds and gives rearranged products. Such reactions are called as molecular rearrangements. So here first of all we have to see electron deficient carbon rearrangement, that is pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement. Pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement. What is pinacol? Pinacol is 1,2-diol or vicinal diol. 1,2-diol or vicinal diol means 1,2-dihydroxy compound is called as pinacol. So this pinacol is converted to pinacolan. Pinacolan is highly substituted ketone. When 1,2-diol or vicinal diol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid gives highly substituted ketone called as pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement. So during this rearrangement there is a dehydration takes place in presence of sulfuric acid. So we have to see here first general example. R, this OH and OH. So this is here 1,2-diol. When it is treated with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, when it is heated in this concentrated sulfuric acid, so it undergoes dehydration. So there is a loss of water molecule. So water molecule get lost here and we get here product R, C double bond O, C R. So this is the bulkier alpha group to this carbonyl carbon. So this is called as pinacolan, and this is here called as 1,2-diol, that is pinacol. This pinacol is converted to pinacolan through the dehydration reaction. There is a removal of water molecule. So in this way this rearrangement is known as pinacol-pinacolan rearrangement. This rearrangement involves basically two steps. Here first is dehydration reaction and the second is rearrangement of carbocation. So here we have to see its mechanism. In the step 1, protonation followed by dehydration. So protonation and dehydration gives carbocation. So that is formation of carbocation. Here this R, C, OH, R, this OH. Now here sulfuric acid releases proton. This proton taken by one of the hydroxyl oxygen. So this proton taken by this OH or this OH. So when it taken by this, then we get here this OH as it is R, see this O, H. Due to releasing lone pair, it will attain a positive charge, this R and this R. So this is protonated vicinal diol. Here it undergoes dehydration. There is a removal of water molecule. We get here this R, C, R, OH. This is R and this is R. So here this is planar carbocation generated in step 1. This is carbocation. Formation of carbocation in step 1. In step 2, carbocation undergoes rearrangement. Now how the rearrangement takes place? R, C, this OH, this R, this C plus this R, here this R. So this carbocation is there. Here this oxygen, its lone pair attacks on this carbon which is having two alkyl groups, and this alkyl group migrated from one place to next place. So this is 1,2 alkyl shift. So this is 1,2 R shift. This is called as rearrangement. So this R group migrated to this, and we get here this R, C, this double bond O, this H. Due to losing its electron pair, it will attain positive charge. this R, here this is R. So here this is protonated ketone. So here this carbocation is converted to this protonated ketone. Here in the last step it is deprotonation. Deprotonation takes place finally, and this proton is lost from this, and we get here this is minus H plus ion, and this R, C, double bond O, C, R, R, R. So this is here pinacolone. This is highly substituted ketone. So in this way, pinacol is converted to pinacolone, that is highly substituted ketone in this rearrangement. So this rearrangement is known as pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Now next examples we have to see here. In this we can take here tetramethyl ethylene glycol, that is C, this OH, this is glycol. When it is having two methyl groups on this carbon and these two methyl groups on another carbon. So here this is 1,2,3-butanediol, this is 2,3-dimethyl 2,3-butanediol. When it is treated with H2SO4 sulfuric acid, it undergoes this dehydration. First there is a loss of water molecule, this takes proton and it undergoes dehydration. Subsequently we get here OH, CH3, CH3C, this carbocation, CH3, CH3, and here this rearrangement takes place. Methyl group shifted to C plus, this is rearrangement, 1,2-methyl shift, followed by loss of proton, minus H plus ion, that is deprotonation. We get here methyl ketone, CH3, CH3, CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 3,3-dimethyl butanone. So here this is tetramethyl ethylene glycol is converted to 3,3-dimethyl butanone through pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement, where 1,2-diol treated with sulfuric acid undergoes dehydration followed by molecular rearrangement gives highly substituted ketone as a product known as pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Involve basically two steps. Step 1 is formation of carbocation and step 2 is rearrangement of carbocation. So this is the rearrangement takes place at electron deficient carbon, because here this electron deficient carbon where the rearrangement takes place. So here this is pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. Now two applications here we have to discuss. When we have unsymmetrical diol such as this is PH, this is methyl, or this is PH, this is PH, this is OH, this is OH. Now as this is unsymmetrical diol, this is not symmetrical diol, this is unsymmetrical diol, then there may be a chance of loss of water from this after protonation or from this. So it may gives here two types of carbocation. If there is a loss of hydroxyl from this carbon, so we get here this carbocation, this OH, PH, and here this is CH3. If this is the one possibility, and the second possibility is here this is PH, here this is PH. If this OH lost through protonation and dehydration, we get here this C plus, this is PH, this is CH3, this is here OH as it is, this is PH, and this is here PH. Okay, now these are the two carbocations we get, this carbocation 1 and this carbocation 2. Now think about stability of this carbocation. Which carbocation is more stable? So the carbocation which is stabilized more by resonance effect, it will be more stable definitely. So here in this carbocation, this carbon is having one phenyl group and one methyl group, but in this carbocation, this one phenyl and this second phenyl is there. So the carbocation which is having more phenyl rings, due to more resonance stabilization, this one will be more stable. So the stability of 1 is greater than 2 due to more resonance stabilization. Due to more resonance stabilization, as we have discussed in electronic effects in the beginning. So resonance effect stabilizes carbocation. So here there is a more resonance effect here. So this carbocation is more stable. So this one will be formed in a major proportion. So 1 is major. So here this is major. So this forms predominantly. So this undergoes rearrangement. So we get here this pH, this C, this OH, this is CH3, this C plus, this is pH and this is pH. This step 1, formation of carbocation. So this carbocation forms predominantly. Now the step 2 is rearrangement of carbocation. So this lone pair attacks here. Now though two different groups are there, this phenyl and this methyl. So which group should migrate here? In earlier example both were similar, identical. So both the methyls are there. Were there. So here this is phenyl, this is methyl. So which group should migrate first? So we have to follow migratory aptitude. So as per the migratory aptitude, what is migratory aptitude? So migratory aptitude of aryl is definitely greater than alkyl. So aryl migrates over the alkyl group. So migratory aptitude of aryl is definitely greater than the alkyl. So here this migrates on this C plus. So after loss of proton, we get here CH3CO, C, pH, pH, pH. So this is the major product is obtained, that is methyl ketone. This methyl should not migrate here, this phenyl should be migrated because aryls having greater migratory aptitude. Hence we get this product, methyl ketone. So this is 1,1,1 triphenyl acetone. So this is 1,1,1 triphenyl acetone as a product. So here this product we get from this. So in this way this phenol is converted to this phenolone rather than pH, CO, C, CH3, pH, pH. Means rather to migrate this should be migrate because aryl groups having greater migratory aptitude here we have discussed. In the second example, why do you see next phenol, that is OH. Here there is CH3. Here we have to see the example of aryl group, that is 4-methoxyphenyl. This is 4-methoxyphenyl, di-4-methoxyphenyl butanediol. So these are the aryl groups and these are the two methyls. Now here when it is first treated with sulfuric acid, undergoes protonation and dehydration. So in step 1, dehydration. After dehydration, either this OH or this OH can be lost because it is symmetrical one. So any OH can be protonate and dehydrate, gives this carbocation. CH3, C, here there is a CH3, OCH3 para-methoxy, and here there is a OH. Now what happen? This carbocation undergoes rearrangement. This lone pair shifted here. Now again there is a question of migration or the rearrangement of alkyl group or aryl group. So here when there is a chance of migration of group from one place to other place, then this is aryl, this is alkyl. This group is alkyl group, this group is aryl group. And we have seen this aryl groups having greater migratory aptitude. So this migrated here from this place to this place. After loss of proton, minus H plus ion, after deprotonation, we get here the product. This is para-methoxyphenyl. This is here para-methoxyphenyl. This is methyl COCH3. COCH3. So this ketone is obtained from this pinacol. So here what we have discussed? Here we have discussed the mechanism of pinacol rearrangement. Then we have seen stability of carbocation. So during the pinacol rearrangement, carbocation get formed during the reaction. So carbocation which is formed, basically it should have more stability. When there is a chance to form two types of carbocation, more stable carbocation should be formed predominantly. And then there is a next chance of migration. So during the migration or rearrangement, the group which is having greater migratory aptitude will be migrated on the electropositive carbon. So in this way, and the migratory aptitude of aryl groups, phenyl or aryl groups, definitely higher than the alkyl groups. So here we have seen two examples where the here phenyl migrated and here this aryl migrated over the alkyl group. So in this way, this is the first rearrangement, that is pinacol rearrangement we have discussed. Thank you.